Jesus, man. Yeah.
Nice jump.
Oh, jeez.
My third jump is crazy. I must have took that whole piece.
Dude, I didn't get you guys, man.
I was like,
Evidently, I didn't get you guys because I was fucked
we'll
up.
do it again.
Nothing to worry about there.
That's right, you're fucked tall.
Oh, jeez.
I even said that. It's hot. That's how it's doing fun.
You don't need to tie off. He went down on his own the first time. Hey, you're doing good, man.
Keep leaning back a little more, it'd be even better.
Jesus fucking Christ. This is a pain in the ass. Hey, Brian! Turn and wave. Turn and wave. Close up.
Hi. Hello.
Just hanging free.
Yeah, that's good. We'll haul her down when we're ready.
We'll all be going next. God damn. My neck fucking is killing me. Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to he goes all the way down.
Well, I want to film him all the way down then. Good job.
Here we go, Rick.
Give me a minute.
Get a good one.
Go, bro. Yeah.
It's like scoping a deer out. It's like scoping a deer out.
Damn, what's that battery look like in there?
Still reading pretty full.
It's still full?
Yeah. It's pretty wide anyhow, that line.
Yeah, that fucker's dead, man. Feeling a blackout there. Rick, he's fucking crazy, dude. He's afraid of heights and shit. You can tell by the way he comes down. Hey, Rick! Give me a smile!
Do it up, Ralph. Woo!
How's he doing? Hey, Brian, did you burn your side yet? Hey, Ralph, wait up. Hold on, don't go yet. Wave, wave, Rick.
What?
Wave. All right, airborne. Go ahead, Ralph.